Hi friends, welcome to Tech World. Today we are discussing about Excel chart. You can see now I have a one table like this: item, quantity, rate and total. For creating chart for this, first you can select this table, then you can go to insert, then you can see here this is a different types of chart. If I click here column and if I select first option, Excel will create automatically one chart like this. You can see now quantity, rate and total and banana, apple, all this will come automatically. And if you want to any change for this chart, you can select this chart, then you can go to design menu, and in the design menu you can see if I click here the color will be changed, the chart color will be changed. And if you want to switch data between you can see here switch rows and columns. Now if I click switch rows and column, you can see now quantity, rate and total here, the item is here like a banana, apple, grapes, all will be here. Like that you can switch also possible. That is the chart in Excel. And if you want to change the chart type, you have an option here, same in the design menu, you have option chart type. If you click here, there's so many different types of chart you can see. If I click pie and if I select this option, if I click OK, you can see the current chart will be, the design will be changed like this. Like that, there's so many options in chart type. Which design we want, we can just click and select the option and click OK. It will be automatically apply here. This is the Excel chart. So guys, this is for today. I hope this video is helpful for you and I will come with more Excel advanced level. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our channel and support us. Thank you.